Okay, this is just a quick video that I'm doing to show the setup that I used in order to capture the video from the PC into the Raspberry Pi, because someone asked in a comment how I connected things up. And after a bit that the connections are a bit of a mess because I haven't got around to ordering things out. So I'm just going to give a brief description of what I've connected up in order to get things to work. So basically, to power everything, I have two switch mode power supplies. So that's one, and the other one is down here. And so basically the Orange Pi 0, which I've been using, is connected into one switch mode, and as you can see, both of them are linked together to a power supply. And so the other Raspberry Pi is connected, is powered by the, through a USB mini into the switch mode, and then the other power output from the switch mode goes to the Arduino board, which is, as you can see, is a mess, and it's got that NRF 24 on it. That's for something extra I've been working on. And so the Arduino board is connected via the USB through a little extender into the Raspberry Pi. And so the main connection for the video is you have the USB from the Raspberry Pi goes through this cable into this K-World, and so the K-World captures basically the video from a USB VGA converter. I mean, this is just like the generic one you can get from eBay, and if you just do a search for USB VGA converter, what's it called? Yeah, so basically it's connected. Yeah, so the way the connection is that you've got this end is the VGA, and then that goes into the VGA to the VGA, or the video converter, which is VGA to video, and then the composite out goes into the K-World, or it can be any USB capture that you want, which takes a composite input, and that basically connects into the Raspberry Pi. And I know I've got that little HDMI card sticking out there. That's just some extra experimentation that I'm doing, just testing some extra things for relating to capture. And to control the Arduino so that the keystrokes can be sent over the network, there's a little USB serial adapter connected into the board with the Arduino on it, and then that's connected into plugged into the Raspberry Pi, so that when you've got remote connection to the Raspberry Pi, it can send the keystrokes into the Arduino, which then is connected through its USB to basically that goes into the keyboard. So you've got you can see so that's the USB, which normally that would go into the back of the computer and would send the keyboard commands into it, and then the VGA plugs into the back of the computer and captures the video from out of it. And so that's basically just a brief overview of the setup, and I'm going to be doing another video soon relating to why I've got that NRF attached, and that's basically related to power switching. So this is like a prototype power switch that I've managed to get working. So when I get time, I'll do a video on that as well. Okay, see you.